Here's public storage app, easy self-storage management. So just tap get to install it, double click to install. And there you have it. So it takes the stress out of storage. Now you made your self-storage experience even easier. It's a free public storage app. You have everything you need for contactless storage in the palm of your hands. Gate access, bill pay, account management, customer support and more. Open gates and doors, pay your bill, keep your account in check. Talk to the support team about so yeah, here you have that. And then yeah, you can just open it up. Thank you for choosing us. And then yeah, here you can just create an account. Just use your email, phone number, agree to terms and conditions, and you're good to go. You can also sign in, and then if you want to rent a space, they have like a website. So yeah, that's the ideas. You can see quite a lot of positive reviews. So if if you're looking for like the storage apps and to improve your experience, check out this app. Guess it works mostly in US. So yeah, there you have it.